Hello, human beings. We are going to be doing some math problems today. Hopefully, some of it will be review, but if not, absolutely no worries. There's plenty of ways for you to practice this material, including some problem sets in this video. So we are going to be going over 3 topics: how to figure out the average, how to calculate percentages, and then we're going to be doing some review of the metric system. Here we go. All right, so first we're going to go over the average, which is basically a calculated central value for a set of numbers. All that is to say, I tend to enjoy examples to help explain things better. So hopefully, if that confused you, this will make more sense. Max got his test scores back for first quarter, and they were an 80, a 70, and a 95. He wants to figure out what his average test score was. So what he's going to do is he is going to add up all of his test scores right here. 80, 70, plus 95 is 245, and he's going to divide that by the number of test scores that he has, which is 3. So 245 divided by 3 is 81.67. So 81.67 is Max's test average. Here is a chance for you to give it a shot. Let's see. Megan this time has 5 test scores. She gets an 80, 92, 77, 97, and a 73. Pause this video and try and calculate her average test score. Let's see. So we added them all up. We got 419 divided by 5 is 83.8. So that should be Megan's test average. Now we're going to move on to percentages, which is basically a number or a ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. Here's an example. Again, test scores, pretty applicable. Jerry's test scores on his test, he got 45 questions correct. There were 74 questions. So what was his grade? What was his percent? You are going to divide 45, which is the number he got correct, divided by 74, which is the total number of questions. And then you get 0.608. Multiply that by 100, you get the percent, which is 60.81%. Here's another one. In my second block class, there are 15 women and 8 men. Pause this video and calculate the percentage of men that are in my second block class. This includes an additional step. Hopefully that wasn't too tricky. First, you need to figure out how many human beings there are in my second block class. So you're going to add 8 plus 15 is 23. Now you can calculate the percentage of men. So there's 8 men out of 23. 8 divided by 23 is 0.347. You multiply that by 100, and that gives you 34.7% of my second block class are men. Great job. Let's keep going. Let's do a little bit of review of the metric system. Can anybody remember what this is? This is a meter stick, which measures things in meters. Crazy. We've got this graduated cylinder, which is used to measure volume in liters. And then we've got this handy fancy triple beam balance, which measures mass in grams. Now give this a try. Which tool would you use to measure the mass of an object? If you said triple beam balance, you are correct. Now, what unit of measurement do you use to find the mass of an object? Grams. You guys are crushing it. I believe in you. Great job. Again, feel free to ask your teacher any additional questions about any aspect of this video. Bye.